Mangwabe doesn't beat the allegations about nurses, hey, about how they are not so in touch with their emotions. Oh my God, the way I wanted to jump inside that TV and catch the girl's tears and just give her a big hug. Mangwabe was just standing there, trying not to crack, because nurses don't crack, right? You are guys. On the last episode of Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, baby girl was like, is daddy going to visit? And mom was like, I don't know. And that's it. Guys, is that an answer you can give a child that is clearly confused, worried, and hurt? All Mangwabe cares about is herself, and that's my personal opinion.
Because aka understand ukuthi isicathulo sishisa mina akazitshela ukuthi mhlambe ngabe unzima ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi akusabekezeleleki.
Why do we always leave kids in the middle of a messy divorce? Ndiyala guys, when it comes to this one, this nonchalant Mangwabe annoys me so much. She only cracked towards the end, but I'm like, bored kesana. Hello, hi, I am Simisota your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea. Listen guys, I'm not saying that Mangwabe mustn't leave Musa Mseleku if she's decided to do so. You must never stay in a place that no longer serves you because of the kids. But also, with kids, you must tread carefully. Kunilomdane Kala guys, Mangwabe says that she's now acting differently and isolates herself. Why did it get to that point where mama? Why did it get to that point kodwa you were there?
Nginothisa ukuthi akekho right isikhathi esiningi uyathanda ukuthi azihlalele yedwa then ukuthi ahlale nathi. She only comes ukuthi abe nathi during isapha kuphela. Adla hambe or noma sibuka TV, she's not with us.
Enye ishoka that is affecting the kids is Daddy Musa Mseleku hasn't been to Mangwabe's new house since they moved. So does that mean he's also not seen his kids since? Because guys, Umusa visits all the other wives and the kids, but ucacile ngoku basempini with Mangwabe, and it's already affecting the kids because ababona like the other kids. It's so unfair, Betunana, and that is the main thing I took out from the last episode. I couldn't care less about Mangwabe not being excited about their house. They must just divorce already because good dale no Mangwabe. It's like she's holding onto the sharp end of the knife and it's hurting her and the kids. Number 5 is already there. Possibly another one on the way. Like nothing is going to change at this point. Why is Visaka Phlungu? Hey? But are we together guys on this one? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. In the meantime, let me put on more stories because guys, in Dabazabando zime emqaleni sana. See you guys on the next one. Bye.